Sexual reproductive features of lichenized ascomycetes are largely equivalent to those found in non-lichenized group. Both homothallic and heterothallic mating systems are known in this group. Apothecia, which are the cup-shaped structures with inoperculate asci, that is, the asci in which an operculum is absent and the dehiscence of the asci is and the dispersal of spore is by a split or slit or ostium. So these are inoperculate ascomycetes. Perithecia and pseudothecia also occur in these groups of fungi. In contrast, no Clistothecia or Apothecia with operculate asci known among the lichenized fungi. That is, there are only inoperculate asci are present in these group of fungi. Conidial states, if produced, are often pycnidial. In most cases, the photobiont is excluded from the fertile regions of the mycobiont so that ascospores or conidia, they are released without photobiont cells. A new lichen thallus can be established from the fungal spores only by the process of relichenization. And in this process, only when the ascospores germinate, they only form the fungal mycelium, and if they found any photobiont nearby, then they will form association with them. So this procedure is known as relichenization. Here in this picture, you can see Psoridia in Avernia species. Most lichen thalli produce vegetative propagules containing both the symbionts, that is the fungal partner as well as the algal partner. These can be very variable and different terminologies are used to describe them. The most common vegetative propagules are the Psoridia. Here in this picture, you can see these are the Psoridia and they contain the algal component as well as fungal component. These Psoridia are small clumps of hyphae and they enclose a few algal cells. They are produced over the entire surface of the thallus. As you can see here, they are produced on the entire surface of the thallus. They may be differentiated into the structures known as the Psorilia. So sometimes they are directly present on the surface of the thallus, and sometimes they produce specific structures. And these structures are known as Psorilia, and in these Psoridia, Psoridia are produced.